Here we come to the elevator at Von Maur at Oxmoor Center in Louisville, Kentucky. It's either a KONE or Montgomery KONE. Got the older indicator, which makes me think it's a Montgomery KONE. Sticky innovation. Universal. This is my first time in the Von Maur. Never been one before. See how they go to maintain their elevators. Go up to 2. It's a Montgomery.
I don't see any bricks.
Wow, reflective ceiling. This is the beautiful elevator. It's a Montgomery. This is a big elevator. Look at the ceiling. Who do you see? Hi. Thought this would be a Montgomery KONE. Go back down to 1.
So you want that?
You going down?
That's the only way to go.
We're just going.
We're either up or down.
We're just going for a ride.
I'm an elevator enthusiast.
Oh, you are?
Yeah, I like filming elevators as a hobby.
Okay.
This is a really nice elevator. 90s innovation universal. Wow, reflective ceiling. Got an ADA compliant phone. I like this elevator a lot. Let's go. I'm gonna go for another ride. This time solo.
Okay, I'll leave you.
Let's go for another ride. I can't get enough of this elevator. This is my first time at the Von Maur. What a nice motor. 4,000 pound capacity. Look at the ceiling. Who do you see? Hi. Love that. Go back down to 1. Wonder what the call station's like out. Going down? You're welcome. Wow. This is my first time at a Von Maur.
It's a nice store.
Yeah. I was kind of expecting gold brass on the panel. But at least we got reflective ceiling, which makes up for that. Reflective ceiling. Got key switches, fire service. There you go. There it goes.
Okay, you all done eating?
Nice. There it goes. And that's it.
Okay.